Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service, is a cloud storage service offered by Amazon Web Services, or AWS. S3 provides a scalable and reliable way to store and retrieve data. Users can store any amount of data and access it from anywhere in the world. S3 is designed for durability and availability. S3 stores data as objects. These objects are stored in buckets which are like folders that help organize objects. Objects consist of the data itself and also have metadata which provides information about the object. S3 is a fundamental building block for many applications, including websites, mobile apps, and big data analytics platforms. Its simplicity, scalability, and cost-effectiveness make it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. S3 is a key component of the AWS ecosystem. Amazon S3 excels in three key areas: scalability, reliability, and security. First, scalability. S3 is highly scalable, allowing users to store petabytes of data and instantly increase or decrease storage needs. S3 automatically scales to handle any workload, so there's no need for capacity planning. Next, reliability. S3 is designed for durability, with data replicated across multiple availability zones. These zones are physically separate locations, ensuring data is safe from hardware failures. And finally, security. S3 offers robust security features, with data encrypted at rest and in transit. Access to data is controlled through user authentication and authorization. S3 provides tools to manage access permissions effectively. Amazon S3 has numerous real-world applications across various industries. Let's explore some common use cases. First, backup and restore. S3 provides a durable and cost-effective solution for backing up data. Businesses can back up their critical data to S3, protecting against data loss from hardware failures or disasters. Data can be easily restored from S3 when needed. Next, data archiving. S3 is ideal for archiving large volumes of data, including infrequently accessed data. S3 offers different storage classes, each with different cost and performance characteristics. Users can choose the most cost-effective storage class for their archived data. And finally, content distribution. S3 can distribute content to users worldwide, including websites, videos, and software downloads. S3's Content Delivery Network, or CDN, can accelerate content delivery by caching content closer to end users, improving performance and reducing latency. Section 4. Best practices for optimal S3 usage. To maximize the benefits of Amazon S3, consider these best practices. Organize data with buckets and folders. Use buckets and folders to organize data effectively. Create separate buckets for different applications or data types. Use folders within buckets to further categorize objects. Implement access control. Use S3's access control mechanisms to secure data. Grant permissions to users or applications on a need-to-know basis. Use IAM roles and policies to manage access centrally. Optimize performance. Use S3 features to optimize performance for specific workloads. Enable transfer acceleration for faster data uploads and downloads. Use S3. Select to query data directly in S3 without having to download the entire object. Section 5. Conclusion: embracing the potential of S3. Amazon S3 has revolutionized data storage. It offers a scalable, reliable, and secure solution for businesses of all sizes. Its ease of use, cost-effectiveness, and wide range of features make it an essential tool for modern applications. By understanding S3's capabilities and implementing best practices, businesses can leverage its full potential, whether it's backing up critical data, archiving historical information, or distributing content globally. S3 provides a robust and flexible platform for managing data in the cloud.